Express.
Cowboy from AliExpress. You see, this is why we have two people in the pictures. In Kofutua, they have always loved the cowboy concept. Is Joy B and Shatawali.
Yes.
Joy B had this video. Prince Dovlo shot it. Because they couldn't get a horses way be our call. Polo Club. Polo Club and all what friend airports like one of what them video. So we knew that Joe B is a boy. They love cowboy vibes. Then I kept that. But a personal obey a cowboy in Yamami. Shatawali.
Gringo and things.
By then I was in xylophone. I premiered that video myself. Gringo. On your bulldog, on your pop skinny, where them fly all the way to LA.
Caribbeans.
No, go Los Angeles, and I will shooting a cowboy looking video.
Wow.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the rich.
Yo, what up, people? The name be DJ Parker Rich. Charlie, today we here. Today we come vibe about Black Sherif.
Yeah,
and I know they here, me and my brother they here.
Of course, PKB original.
PKB, you not say me my era B.
Yeah.
The Brafo errors and all these things, but you people get your own Iron Boy. We then want Iron Boy be Amachi Dedi.
True, Iron Boy Amachi.
Yeah, understand.
The reincarnated version of Amachi.
Charlie. So I heard Blacko is out with a new album.
Yeah, Trapper Man.
What's the album's name?
Okay, so the name of the album, like you rightly said, is Iron Boy.
Iron Boy.
Yes.
We wanna time you talk Iron Boy, I will go talk say Enyon. Yeah, no beyond. But you people are the Iron Boy,
they talk Iron Boy, you talk they be
Yeah. So what's going on with the album? We have the release was today or yesterday.
Exactly 12 midnight, April 3rd today. Black Sherif finally dropped his anticipated sophomore album. Sophomore album, they mean say like if you go university, you say you get level 100, you get level 200, you get level 300, you get level 400. If you go level 100, that one will be your maiden time in school. So Black Sherif maiden project was The Villain I Never Was. That album top chart. We finally. He graduates go in second level. You understand? Which is the sophomore album, Iron Boy. Where with Dishamas right now. Of course, 15-track album.
15 track.
Yeah, 15-track album.
Charlie, that guy grew, man.
Yeah, go.
But then one thing that blows my mind on this particular album, I'm a visual person, I was moved with the teasers, the kind of teasers that he dropped.
The trailers.
You understand, and how they were able to depict the iron in the Texan, in the costuming. Charlie, baby, I've been biana. No lomi Black Sherif, they come out and Iron Boy, you cry.
No one lumi.
Charlie,
DJ Fakovic.
You hear can cry like that plays, but I mean, I love his creative bits. But I hear say he dropped the album and one song be for top.
Yeah.
It cause.
It turn up the social media.
It cause problems. Now what's the some cowboy be line be woman? What is it about that album?
So
it be this song.
So according to breakdowns and speculations, how people they react to that particular song, the title of the song be Where Them Boys.
Where Them Boys.
Yeah, that's the title of the song. But like people started decode the song already. They affiliate the song to one of the triple S.
Okay, I be the S. We get Sarko,
we get
Stoneboy,
we get Shatawale.
We get Shatawale.
Yeah, so people
they attribute them to one.
Yeah, people they attribute them to one of the triple S for the S Avengers for Ghana.
But I hear say the S not be just one or some other one too in won't be there.
Yeah.
Because there's some motion and some everlasting
things.
Charlie.
So people they chop stray bullets, but anyhow, where them boys no there. You be like unless Black or can't tell. But so far on the socials, no there. People take and say this song.
You get the lyrics.
Yeah.
Make we read through the lyrics. Make we see say we go feel understand some of the lines because. So, you know, beef in the Ghana, we love beef.
We love beef. Agenda and cutting. So where them boys? It starts with where them boys. Question they ask. Counterfeiting boys.
Counterfeiting boys.
Yes, the wannabes and the talking toys.
Wannabes and talking toys. Our toys are workers.
Yes. Tell them make some noise.
Oh, so make them make some noise because already they make noise. Yes.
Industries. Employees.
So who be industry employees?
Even with the ask
Black
everlasting motion boy. I say what's up?
Everlasting motion boy.
I say.
But then people that talk say Stone Boy get song where entitled be everlasting. Where he gets another song entitled be motion. Where so he talk everlasting motion boy.
I say me Black Iron boy. I say what's up?
So everlasting motion boy or Pachere Stone Boy, what's up? Okay, Blacko, we get your message.
Beam natives. On we go. He say standard raising boy. I say what's up?
Standard raising boy. I hear say that's guy that they call him fire stick. Guy now ideally for sell in Pabua for Cantamanto.
Yeah, but
where you go get some Robroni in a garage be or UK now or US no Autumn reactions no.
Well, on to the next paragraph. Black will say, everybody gets something.
Obia will be Kawagana.
Yes, something to say.
Obia Pekasa.
Suggestions to make.
Obia suggestions in Ghana for people.
But nobody wanna practice.
Wakasa bebreza. What kind of one to practice? One to practice that. What kind of Black Sherif come?
None of things they say and preach. I mean, it's easy that way.
None of the things now what can I what preaching where then if you do but or easy.
Yeah, it be easy to see.
Yeah, neka saying or easy one. Preach.
Text me phone say me what to saying.
Oh, me say be no what texting.
Yeah.
Black way and the payers is black or how we they do. Black or how body.
Years ago, I'd be so impressed because I gave man love and enough respect.
Oh, Chede, those days, you know, painful be them the way you sit to Sabi when you answer. But this day, so one that way I'm be cry.
But that boy is a mess.
What's a boy in a mess?
Ganging up.
Find boy. Find that boy.
Ganging up and tagging teams.
You know, Chede was ganging up against him. What the teams, you know, I see.
With the cowboy from AliExpress.
Cowboy from AliExpress. You see, this is why we have two people in the pictures. In Kwafutua, they have always loved the cowboy concept. Is Joy B and Shatta Wale.
Yes.
Joy B had this video. Prince Dovlo shot it. Because they couldn't get a horses way be our call. Polo Club. Polo Club and all what friend airports like one of what them video. So we knew that Joe B is a boy. They love, you know, cowboy vibes. Then I kept that. But a personal obey, you know, a cowboy in Yamami. Shatta Wale.
Yeah, gringo and things.
By then I was in xylophone. I premiered that video myself. Gringo. On your bulldog. On your pop skinny. Where them fly all the way to LA.
Caribbeans.
No, go Los Angeles. Wow. And I walk shooting a cowboy looking video.
Wow.
Director B way in Nigeria way shoot them. So read the line again, then let's see if you go for associates connect the daughter. You say cowboy what?
You see where that line say
get that line for me. It's very important.
Hey, now line or fine. Okay. See, and make I repeat. Talking beans, talking on me. Talking on me with the cowboy from AliExpress.
Okay, so according to speculations, you remember say Shatta Wale was invited on a podcast show with a Fjord.
Rant and Band.
Yeah,
Fjord.
Where Shatta spoke about his dressing and how he did do way. Ideally, people talk say Black Sherif really no like that vibe.
Yeah, no really like her.
And people when there just be the time where Black Sherif they come out Shatta Wale. Now when you be and fan describe him there, cowboy, AliExpress, cowboy. Me what did they hurt me say like make you use like Amazon Cowboy impo. You say Amazon Cowboy get some glory soul.
Yeah,
and I cry make you do I'm Jumia safe. But I mean AliExpress Cowboy. How can you do that? How can you describe your elder as AliExpress Cowboy? Blacku. Eba started the bobu impo. And to me describe who paying as AliExpress Cowboy. As some are Kenya in him that shatter. And I know but I had a friend someone to Makaka. But anyway, lyrics and bass and be woman.
Oh, so far there that be the
one I want. You fancy one
I'm
phone decode for yourself. But honestly, I'm impressed with the album, the sound quality, the mixing, the mastering. You understand? And so you definitely have to go. Let's go through the track list.
So the track list today, that agree if you slap up on the screen.
You go slap up
the track list, the 15 track album. People to get problem as the track list comes and they say but where wanna Ghanaian people do? Like,
say you feature just two people
Fireboy, DML, and your friend is saying Say Vibes.
I say
so people them are
that one you see Zogwine panels in fufu at the time.
But people they forget say on the first album, the villain I never was. Nobody they talk.
So
I mean
I say
that
100 100.
So the track list, track number 1 be the Victory Song.
Victory Song.
Yes, that's the Victory Song. Track number 2, One. That be the title of the song. One. Track number 3 be So It Goes featuring Fireboy DML.
So It Goes. I've seen that video, you know.
Yes. Track number 4, Top of the Morning.
Top of the Morning.
Track number 5, Body. Number 6 be Sacrifice. Number 7 be Sumobi. Number 8 be Dreamer. Number 9 be Rebel Music.
I watched that video. He be Babs where he shoot time. He kill him.
Number 10 be Where Them Boys.
Number 10.
This song.
Number 10 be what?
Where Them Boys.
So why you go put the hard track for number 10? Why? Oh yeah, it be like that song be the captain of the album.
Yeah, not that. You see, say if you check the album, put them back on. If you check the album list, it highlights some of the songs. Some of the songs, my names be up. Like track number 1. If the project come out, number 4, the project come out, number 3, the project come out. If you check 5 day down, 6 day down, 7 day down, 8 day down, 9 day down, 10, the project as well. The rest day down, the January 9 for the last day.
I see.
The albums, for the album tour, the song with the shoot, you know, Where Them Boys the inside.
Indicator. On our friend Indicator.
Indicator.
I see.
Number 11 be Iron Boy.
Number
12 be Sin City with Say Vibes. Number 13 be Eye Open. Number 14 be Changes, of course. And number 15, January 9th. Already the album, the top charts on Apple Music for Ghana, Liberia, and of course, Nigeria as well. Number 1, top albums so far in the top of the charts. And so, yeah.
All right, guys. So if you want to join this conversation, I think you should go and stream this album. Just hear it for yourself. Just say you go so calm. You know, add it to your playlist. Listen to the album. Then after you go come give your review. When I review go come later. So
but
it's been
it run some tours too. So
tours there.
It be where North America. This one be the Europe tour. It could go Belgium, Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands. So in May there he will be very busy.
This guy where they need private jets, so no you understand because he go to fly.
You know, we go to fly.
That be why one of his song they talk say I'm in plane BB. I've been going in place to plane or say something like that. Charlie, big ups, Sherif.
Yes. So,
Sherif. I mean, so guys, go stream the album without Iron Boy.
Yeah.
Charlie, we'll see you in the next episode.
Enjoy.
I want problem. Always. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?